Painting.
Painting.
She enjoys painting landscapes in her free time.
She enjoys painting landscapes in her free time.
Drawing.
Drawing.
He is good at drawing cartoon characters.
He is good at drawing cartoon characters.
Photography.
Photography.
Photography is her favorite hobby during travels.
Photography is her favorite hobby during travels.
Sculpting.
Sculpting.
Sculpting clay figures requires patience.
Sculpting clay figures requires patience.
Knitting.
Knitting.
My grandmother loves knitting scarves for us.
My grandmother loves knitting scarves for us.
Singing.
Singing.
Singing in concerts makes her happy.
Singing in concerts makes her happy.
Dancing.
Dancing.
Dancing helps him stay fit and relaxed.
Dancing helps him stay fit and relaxed.
Playing guitar.
Playing guitar.
He spends hours playing the guitar in his room.
He spends hours playing the guitar in his room.
Playing piano.
Playing piano.
She takes weekly lessons for playing the piano.
She takes weekly lessons for playing the piano.
Acting.
Acting.
Acting in school plays is his passion.
Acting in school plays is his passion.
Swimming.
Swimming.
Swimming in the ocean during summer is refreshing.
Swimming in the ocean during summer is refreshing.
Running.
Running.
He goes running every morning before work.
He goes running every morning before work.
Hiking.
Hiking.
Hiking in the mountains is an adventure.
Hiking in the mountains is an adventure.
Cycling.
Cycling.
They enjoy cycling through the street on weekends.
They enjoy cycling through the street on weekends.
Skating.
Skating.
Skating on ice is challenging but fun.
Skating on ice is challenging but fun.
Yoga.
Yoga.
Yoga helps her stay calm and focused.
Yoga helps her stay calm and focused.
Gardening.
Gardening.
Gardening flowers brings him so much joy.
Gardening flowers brings him so much joy.
Stargazing.
Stargazing.
Stargazing at night is a magical experience.
Stargazing at night is a magical experience.
Origami.
Origami.
Origami requires patience to create beautiful paper designs.
Origami requires patience to create beautiful paper designs.
Scrapbooking.
Scrapbooking.
She enjoys scrapbooking photos from her travels.
She enjoys scrapbooking photos from her travels.
Pottery.
Pottery.
Pottery is a relaxing and artistic hobby.
Pottery is a relaxing and artistic hobby.
Shell collecting.
Shell collecting.
She enjoys shell collecting by the beach.
She enjoys shell collecting by the beach.
Vinyl record collecting.
Vinyl record collecting.
Vinyl record collecting brings back nostalgia.
Vinyl record collecting brings back nostalgia.
Puzzles.
Puzzles.
Solving puzzles keeps her mind sharp.
Solving puzzles keeps her mind sharp.
Camping.
Camping.
Camping by the river is so refreshing.
Camping by the river is so refreshing.
Mixology.
Mixology.
Mixology lets him create unique cocktails.
Mixology lets him create unique cocktails.
Cosplaying.
Cosplaying.
Cosplaying is her favorite hobby during comic conventions.
Cosplaying is her favorite hobby during comic conventions.
Woodworking.
Woodworking.
Woodworking lets you create beautiful furniture.
Woodworking lets you create beautiful furniture.
Dog training.
Dog training.
Dog training builds a bond between pets and owners.
Dog training builds a bond between pets and owners.
Food tasting.
Food tasting.
Food tasting events are fun for adventurous eaters.
Food tasting events are fun for adventurous eaters.
Cooking.
Cooking.
Cooking new recipes is always exciting for him.
Cooking new recipes is always exciting for him.
Baking.
Baking.
She loves baking cookies and cakes.
She loves baking cookies and cakes.
Wine tasting.
Wine tasting.
They enjoyed a wine tasting tour in Italy.
They enjoyed a wine tasting tour in Italy.
Gaming.
Gaming.
He spends his weekends gaming online.
He spends his weekends gaming online.
Horseback riding.
Horseback riding.
Horseback riding is peaceful.
Horseback riding is peaceful.
Reading.
Reading.
She spends hours reading novels.
She spends hours reading novels.
Writing.
Writing.
Writing poems helps her express her feelings.
Writing poems helps her express her feelings.
Calligraphy.
Calligraphy.
Calligraphy turns writing into an art form.
Calligraphy turns writing into an art form.
Antique collecting.
Antique collecting.
Antique collecting is her family tradition.
Antique collecting is her family tradition.
Coin collecting.
Coin collecting.
Coin collecting teaches her about different countries.
Coin collecting teaches her about different countries.
Fishing.
Fishing.
Fishing at the lake is his favorite weekend hobby.
Fishing at the lake is his favorite weekend hobby.
Bird watching.
Bird watching.
Bird watching requires patience and good binoculars.
Bird watching requires patience and good binoculars.
Kayaking.
Kayaking.
Kayaking in the river is thrilling.
Kayaking in the river is thrilling.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun language lessons.